Hi, I'm Jeff Holliday, the golf course superintendent at Salisbury Country Club, and today we've begun our aerification process for our close week on the golf course. Behind me is the Vertidrain. This is actually an implement that goes down 8 inches in the green, pokes a solid hole. It fractures through the root zone and allows for deeper root growth and also for water movement through the root zone. So once this process is completed, we'll move on to the next process. So this is the second part of our process. We're actually coring the greens now with a 5/8 inch hollow tine, which actually pulls the organic matter and also the thatch layer out of the green. The crew will clean up the plugs. We're actually using these plugs to backfill some of the cart paths on the golf course. But once this process is done and the greens are cleaned up, then we'll start the top dressing process. We're here in our second day of our week-long aerification close week. We've completed all the core aerations on all 27 holes in the practice facility. We're in the process now of aerifying with the third aerification in the process with solid tine, 5/8 inch solid tines on 2-inch centers. Once that's completed, the roller will come back and roll the greens, and then we'll brush the sand in. So the final process in our aerification system is using the sweep and fill. So we'll sweep all the sand into the holes. Our goal is to get all the holes filled. We'll have a crew of guys that work behind the sweep and fill. We'll actually try to broom some of the excess sand into the holes that have not been filled. Then once that process is completed, we'll come back with our fertility package on the greens, and then we'll water the fertility in. One of the biggest I guess goals of this aerification is to try to amend that organic layer with as much sand as possible. But this process we started 2 years ago, so this will be really the only time we actually disturb the surface of these greens until September of next year. And that's the reason why we're closed for a whole week, is we'll aerify the greens 3 times and get everything done in 1 week, and then we will not have to touch the green or reconvene some members again until September.